Topic is how can we maintain our health? Health is wealth and we should keep it safe. We can maintain good health with good and healthy lifestyle. We should get up early in the morning and do exercise. Walk for half an hour is also helpful to maintain health. We should take proper meals on time. There must be healthy items in a meal. We should keep taking fruits and vegetables daily. We should wash our hands before and after meal. Meal should be cooked well. To maintain good health, we have to observe some rules. We should clean out teeth and take bath regularly. We should keep our environment clean. We should take balanced diet. Sitting late in night and using mobile or computer is harmful. We should balance our screening time and make a practical timetable for that.